In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb for your marker light. Let's get started. So to get to this bulb, it's going to be a little difficult, but totally doable. Basically, you have to reach behind and around to get to over here. You'll feel the socket. It'll be a small one. It's actually in between this one here, which is your turn signal and parking light, and the low and high beam bulb, which is down below. It's kind of at the halfway point. So reach in, go all the way to the corner. You'll feel kind of like a divot in the headlight. It's recessed in. Turn it counterclockwise looking from behind, clockwise looking from the front, and here it is. You can see the 194 bulb. Go ahead and wiggle it out. There's your old one. Grab your new bulb, slide it in, make sure it clicks. Now do the same to reinstall it. You're gonna have to sneak it back there. Make sure you route the harness correctly. Find the mounting hole in the headlight. Rotate it until you can feel the socket slide into its mounting hole, because the tabs that are on there are a different size, so you have to line them up in a specific orientation. There you go, that's locked in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.